Hi, I got an unboxing. I just got this in. Hyperkin FAMICOM adapter. I don't know. I hope there's some one piece, something rattling in it. Let me see. Let me just get a screwdriver or something to cut tape with. I don't have no knife on me at the moment. That's fine. Okay, that might be what was bouncing around in there. Yeah, it's a little cord. What else is in here? Another little cord. Like a Hyperkin sticker. It's all in the box. That's what it looks like. Well, there's the back. Got a little ribbon on it. Okay, next part goes in the console. Hopefully tomorrow I should have my NES controller and one of my FAMICOM games. So yeah, then I'll be able to play my FAMICOM games on my NES and my FC Twin. I'm about to install my orange LED into the NES. Yeah. So that's been a little unboxing. I have some more in the next few days hopefully. So yeah, so if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you're new, hit that like and subscribe before you leave if you like the content. If not, that's okay. But God bless and goodbye.